Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, i-share ko sa inyo ang a day in the life of a sales representative working from home dito sa Canada. Ayun guys, as a sales development representative, I do lead generation, cold calling, and booking meetings. So paano ko ba nakuha tong trabaho na to? Nakita ko yung job posting sa LinkedIn and I applied directly there, as well as I checked the career website of the company and applied online. After 3 days, someone contacted me and then I did around 2 interviews. After 2 weeks of waiting for the result, ayun, in-offeran ako ng company. And actually, hindi madali yung process nung pag-apply ko ng jobs dito sa Canada. Kasi after matapos yung studies ko, like after 4 months, saka ako nagkaroon ng job offer. So, I did several interviews, I applied to different jobs, and yeah, it took me a while before I got a job offer. Ayun, hindi madali for me yung na-experience ko sa paghahanap ng full-time job dito sa Canada. And kasi during that time, I finished my studies August 2023. And then, most of the companies, kasi I think it's the timing, most of the companies that time is in their 3rd or 4th quarter. And normally kasi yung mga job openings and hiring, nangyayari siya sa 1st quarter of the year, which is like January. And yeah, I think that also affected my job application. But fortunately, itong company na na-applyan ko, yung fiscal year nila ay nag-start ng September. And that's a time na nag-apply ako. So, na-timing lang din na they are in the hiring process and they do have, you know, the capacity to hire because it's their 1st quarter of their fiscal year. Yun talaga yung, you know, yung hiring season ng company na to. And ayun, natanggap ako sa company and right now, I'm like more than a year nang nag-work dito sa company na to. Ayan guys, ang aking very simple setup for my work. I start my day checking my emails first, and then after that, I'm gonna start the cold calling and then meetings. Like throughout the day. Kasi right now, schedule ko, meron akong 4 na client meetings, then 4 pre-meetings, and then 1 internal meeting. So, that's like 9 meetings in a day. Ngayong araw na to. At saka, ayun, I'll still be doing lead generation and cold calling, like in between those meetings. Yun guys, meron tayong lead na tatawagan. Let's call.
Hello.
Hi, is this Tanvir?
Yes, hi.
Hi Tanvir, good afternoon. By the way, my name is Sheila, calling from...
Yeah, sounds perfect.
Yeah.
Just so I understand, I actually landed on your website when I was on, I guess I was on... once the meeting is over, I'm gonna have to take it up with my boss, and that's when I would be able to arrive at something concrete. But I can assure you that to start with, so that we find out how the reception is, this should be an accurate description of the budget for the moment.
Yep, sure. And for the timeline, are you planning to start off like this month or next month? Like, what's the timeline you're looking at?
As soon as possible.
If you're available tomorrow around 11 a.m. to discuss regarding about your requirements.
How long is it going to be?
Let's say like around 30 minutes.
11 a.m. and it's going to be through a phone call?
It's going to be via Microsoft Teams meeting, video call, video online meeting.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, sure. No worries. Thank you so much, Tanvir. I'm going to send you the calendar invite and looking forward to meeting you tomorrow, 11 a.m. Eastern Time.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
You too. Have a good day.
Hi guys. So that's one booked meeting with a client and I'll call more clients para makabook ng mas marami.
Thank you for Corporation. If you know your party's extension, please enter it now. If you'd like to use the company directory, press 1. For sales, marketing, and customer accounts, press 2. For accounts payable
Welcome to our voicemail system. You have reached the mailbox. Please record your message. When you have finished recording, press pound or simply hang up.
Hi, good afternoon. By the way, my name is Sheila. I'm calling from the voice message, guys. Walang sumagot, so I left a voice message.
1.
Let's see.
For
Let's take
design
another call.
engineering. Sorry, I didn't find anyone with this extension number. For sales, press 1. For design engineering, press 2. For production inquiries, press 3. For shipping inquiries, press 4. For purchasing, press 5. For HR, press 6. For finance, press 7. Or dial their extension now and press the pound key.
Speaking.
Hi. By the way, my name is Sheila. I'm calling from the...
Appreciate the offer. I do handle, we are certainly looking at, let's say, adjusting our approach.
Yep.
But I'm not sure that would be a good fit at this time.
Okay, because actually...
on your offer, unfortunately.
Okay, no worries. But yeah, thank you so much, Duarte, and have a good day.
Thank you. Have a lovely day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
So he declined, guys. That's a rejection I always face every day. So I do calls like maybe 40 calls a day, and most of the time, like maybe I would say 90% are rejections. Only 10% ang mabubuk kong meetings. Ganon siya. So every day yan, guys. Imagine. I face rejections every day. I think nasanay na lang ako. Kasi I've been doing sales for almost like 8 to 10 years na. At yeah, nakasanayan ko na lang siya. And I think it's more on like how I handle rejections. So yeah, ganun talaga, guys. I just have to call another client, move on, and then book meeting with other clients. So, ganun lang din talaga siya, guys. Every day is a new day for new opportunity, but I will be facing definitely a lot of rejections. Yun, guys, mag-start na yung ating internal meeting.
Hi, everyone. Happy Monday. How are we all doing?
Good.
Okay, cool. How's your cat doing there, Dom? Good?
Yeah, he hates the camera. He loves to make mess, but he hates the camera.
Really?
Yeah, crazy cat.
Okay. I think we got everybody here. A little bit of roundtable team. Listen, I'm not going to call on you. Please volunteer. Last week, wins, successes, things that went well. Sheila, go ahead.
Yeah, so last week, it was, yeah, pretty good week for me. I completed 13 meetings and I booked, I guess, 8 meetings and some closed wins from the AA side. So, yeah.
Holy smokes, you completed 13 meetings last week?
Yes.
Wow. What a start to March. Well done. Good stuff. Okay, anybody else? Last week, I know there was a couple good things that happened, so let's share it.
So guys, lunch muna tayo. Prepare tayo ng food. Yun pala guys, ito sa work ko, flexible naman yung time. It's up to you kung kailan mo gustong mag-lunch break. Ayan, let's go. Ayan guys, prepare muna tayo ng ating ila-lunch for today. Meron tayo dito gulay for my appetizer. Meron tayong salad. And then, lutuin natin itong steak para sa protein natin. So, yeah. Guys, ang ating food for today is steak and salad. And guys, paaraw muna tayo. Yan, it's a good weather today. Maaraw siya. Malamig pa rin, pero at least sunny. Ayan. Paaraw muna tayo. Break time. Ngayon guys ay pa-spring na, kaya okay ang weather. Medyo malamig pero at least sunny. Tsaka ngayon ay 11 degrees Celsius. Ayan. So normally talaga break time ako from like calls and meetings para ma-refresh ulit. Diba? Nakaka-drain kapag puro calls and then, you know, sunod-sunod yung mga meetings yung schedule. Ayan, enjoy muna natin ang sunny weather! Ayun guys, share ko naman sa inyo yung sa tingin kong pros and cons of working from home. So sa pros muna tayo. So unang-una, hindi ko na kailangan mag-commute going to work. So it saves a lot of time as well as yung preparation and travel, diba? So it saves a lot of time for me na hindi ko na kailangan mag-commute going to work. Second is, it saves money din naman kasi nga, dun pa lang sa transportation, diba, going to work, it saves money as well as sa pagbili ng pagkain. Kasi normally, nung nag-office ako before, I tend to buy food na dun sa establishments na near sa office as well as kapag magsa-snack, then makapapabili ka talaga ng pagkain. And third for me would be flexibility sa aking time. In our work naman, very flexible naman. You can go for breaks or lunch break mo or lunchtime mo whenever you want. And you can start or end work depende sa schedule mo. Fourth would be yung comfort of I'm working in the comfort of, you know, my home, our home. So, for me, mas okay sa akin yon. Kasi mas komportable ako na nandito ako sa bahay. Everything that I need is here. Is in here. Kaya, ayun, for me, those are the pros. So, sa cons naman, for me, isa sa cons is walang social interaction or personal connection sa colleagues or sa clients. Kasi, yun nga, everything is online. And then, second would be limited na physical activities. Kasi dito lang naman din ako sa bahay, naglalakad-lakad, or dito sa balcony, pupunta ako sa balcony, and then, at the end of the day na ako nakakapag-exercise. So, yun yung nakikita kong cons. But, overall guys, I would say, mas okay sa akin ang work from home. Kasi na-enjoy ko siya. And, mas flexible yung time ko. And guys, so tapos na yung pre-meeting and discovery call with the account executive. Ngayon naman, habang nag-aantay for the next pre-meeting and discovery call, ay magtatawag ulit tayo ng mga kliyente. So, I'll continue my cold calling. Hi guys! Ayun, 5 PM na. Tapos na ako sa pagtatawag today, and my meetings for today's are done. My calls are 50 calls today, and I booked 3 meetings. So imagine that sa 50 calls na yon, 3 lang yung nag-say yes for meetings, and the rest are rejections or voice message, walang nag-answer ng call. Ayun guys, that's the reality of life as a salesperson. And yeah, ngayon, meron na akong mga admin stuff na tatapusin. So I'd do some work. I guess I think an hour pa. So I'll do some overtime with the admin task. Ayun guys, ang aking day. Very important din guys na since, diba, naka-work from home ako, and then walang masyadong physical activities. Kaya naman, nag-enroll ako sa yoga class. And that's gonna be at 7 p.m. tonight. And it's really good para naman meron akong, exercise. Because maghapon lang naman ako dito sa bahay, and then nakaupo. Kaya, ayun, I decided to enroll in yoga class. And kapag summertime naman, nag-biking or cycling kami ng husband ko. Yun naman yung activity ko for the summer. And since na yun, winter pa-transition to spring, medyo malalig pa for biking. Ayun, so yoga muna for now. Ayun guys, after mag-work, kailangan natin mag-exercise. Pupunta tayo ngayon ng yoga class. Ayun guys, yung yoga class ko pala malapit lang sa bahay, walking distance lang. Magsa 7 p.m. na, pero maaraw pa rin. Kasi spring season and malapit na mag-summer, so yung sunset ay mas matagal ngayon compared sa winter. Ayun lang guys, ang ating work from home, a day in the life of a sales representative here in Canada. Kita nyo may snow pa rin sa likod ko kahit na maaraw na. And I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you again in my next vlog guys. Bye!